This video is number 2. My name is Val Kachuk, Roof It Forward for repairability test for Mr. Randall Patterson and Megan for State Farm Adjuster. As we can see, when he was trying to take it out, the shingles are so brittle and they're breaking apart. So in order for us to do just repair job on the shingles on this roof, we're going to break other good shingles. And it started raining. It's all right, we will manage it. Yeah, I can see it failed the brittle test. So thank you for taking into consideration this repairability test at 912 Fairwin Avenue. And this is Val Kachuk, Roof It Forward. Thank you.